Billionaires don't just earn money, they make the tax system work for them. And increasingly, AI is the secret weapon behind legally minimizing tax liabilities. While most people struggle with deductions and filings, the ultra-wealthy use sophisticated AI systems to plan, execute, and optimize their tax strategies invisibly. Tax law is notoriously complex, constantly changing, and full of nuances. Traditional wealth management relied on teams of accountants and lawyers to identify deductions, credits, and loopholes. Today, AI transforms this process by analyzing massive amounts of data, predicting outcomes, and automating strategies across multiple jurisdictions. The result is legal tax minimization, executed with precision and speed. This script explores how billionaires integrate AI into their tax strategies, the methods they use, and why these systems remain largely inaccessible to the public. Automated data collection and analysis. The first step is gathering and analyzing financial data. AI collects information from bank accounts, investment portfolios, real estate holdings, business entities, and other financial instruments. Unlike humans, AI can process enormous data sets in minutes, identifying patterns and opportunities that could reduce tax liabilities. It spots eligible deductions, credits, and timing strategies that a traditional accountant might overlook. This ensures that every potential advantage is captured efficiently. Predictive tax planning. Once the data is compiled, AI moves into predictive scenario planning. It simulates multiple approaches, projecting the impact of different financial decisions on tax outcomes. For example, AI can determine the optimal timing to sell an asset, structure a charitable donation, or move income across accounts and entities. These predictions factor in changing regulations, market fluctuations, and investment performance, providing billionaires with a dynamic and highly accurate roadmap for minimizing taxes. Cross-jurisdictional optimization. Global billionaires often have assets spread across multiple countries, each with unique tax rules. AI analyzes these jurisdictions to determine optimal locations for income, business operations, or investment holdings. It can suggest shifting funds, creating trusts, or establishing subsidiaries in low-tax regions, all fully compliant with local and international law. This sophisticated jurisdictional planning is nearly impossible for humans to execute at the same scale and speed. Continuous compliance monitoring. AI doesn't just find tax advantages, it ensures compliance. Systems monitor changes in tax laws, accounting rules, and reporting requirements across multiple regions. Alerts are generated whenever regulations shift, and automated adjustments are suggested or implemented. This proactive compliance prevents legal issues, reduces audit risk, and ensures all strategies remain fully lawful. Transaction execution and reporting. AI assists in executing financial decisions to optimize taxes. It can schedule investments, allocate funds, and structure payments to minimize exposure simultaneously. It generates comprehensive reports detailing every transaction, deduction, and credit. This documentation ensures transparency and makes audits simpler, reducing reliance on large human accounting teams. Risk management and scenario adjustment. AI constantly monitors potential tax risks. If a change in regulations or market conditions creates exposure, the system recommends adjustments. For instance, it may suggest rebalancing a portfolio, delaying a transaction, or modifying entity structures. This dynamic risk management ensures billionaires maintain optimal tax efficiency without facing unexpected liabilities. Continuous learning and optimization. Perhaps the most powerful feature is AI's ability to learn from past outcomes. It evaluates which strategies worked, which failed, and which could be improved over time. The system becomes increasingly precise, uncovering subtle opportunities to legally minimize taxes while adapting to new market conditions and legislative changes. Strategic oversight by humans. Although AI handles most technical and operational tasks, human oversight remains essential. Billionaires review recommendations, approve high-level decisions, and ensure alignment with broader financial goals. This combination of AI precision and human judgment provides maximum advantage while maintaining full control over strategy. Billionaires leverage AI not to cheat the system, but to legally minimize taxes. By automating data analysis, predictive planning, jurisdiction optimization, compliance monitoring, and transaction execution, AI allows the ultra-wealthy to reduce liabilities efficiently and accurately. For ordinary individuals, the principles remain relevant. Leverage automation, analyze data rigorously, and plan strategically. AI turns the complexity of taxes from a burden into an opportunity, proving that in modern finance, strategic intelligence, not just effort, creates lasting advantage.